In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ERASER on Adobe Express. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have something you want to erase or use the eraser on. So for this instance, I'm just going to use one of my images, which I uploaded over here, and I'm going to show you how to use the eraser because it's actually super simple. So this is my image over here, and let's say you want to erase something. So you want to click on your image and click on this edit button up top. You want to go to edit, and over here you can find the erase button. Now when you click on it, you can, as it says, erase specific areas of your content, allowing the rest to show through. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it, and I'm just gonna go and basically click and drag over here, and it's going to delete or erase like this. Now here you also have the option to change it. You could go and make it a circle brush, which is going to basically just paint over the area, or you could also use this quick selection, where you can then go ahead and basically use it like a magic wand, where it's going to kind of notice where the background is and delete it that way, okay, which is also quite convenient if you have some specific things you want to remove. Then over here you can always select the size of your brush, the hardness of your brush, as well as the opacity of your brush too, and you'll also be able to invert whatever you created just by clicking on this button over here. Okay, if at any point you want to restore, click on the restore up top, and you'll be able to restore just like this by basically reverse erasing. Okay, now when you're done with your eraser, so if I do some erasing over here like this, you want to click on this done button over here, and it's going to, of course, erase whatever you selected to erase. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.